Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the slides file and getting text-to-speech ready. This is practical, not optional. Once done, make sure Chrome has TTS enabled or your OS voice is active, and test a short phrase to confirm output. If you plan to use an extension, install it now and grant microphone or screen permissions if requested. You'll want slide text cleared of notes you don't want read. Remove navigation clutter so the spoken output follows the main content. Next, select exactly what you want read. Slide text, speaker notes, or both. Highlight text boxes if your extension reads selections only. Then, change voice, speed, and language in the TTS settings so pronunciation and pacing match your audience. Slower for complex material, faster for summaries. Once configured, set automatic slide advance timing or opt for manual controls. This determines whether the TTS follows slides or you control pacing. Test a multi-slide read to confirm flow and fix mismatches. Finally, start presentation mode and activate the TTS play button or extension. Watch the slide focus so the reader follows content in order. If names or technical terms sound wrong, add phonetic spelling in speaker notes or use SSML features where available to force correct pronunciation. If audio doesn't start, make sure the browser has audio permissions, the correct output device is selected, and the extension has page access. One key troubleshooting tip: reload the tab and re-enable the extension if speech stalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.